Hello, we have Ursula today with her layouts and cards from the April Project Life Picks.
So I want to start with the cards today and share with you what I did. I'm really excited right now about the fact that you can pull from your Project Life Picks and you can make a card really quickly, 5 minutes or less. Both of these cards took me about 5 minutes. So I'm going to start here with my Delight card, and I've used the Amy Tangerine Transparent Alpha and a little bit of this crepe paper vellum, just some Studio Calico chipboard pieces, a little bit of Tim Holtz tape, Amy Tangerine puffy sticker, and the basic gray stickers. So just kind of real quickly put all that together, and I have this great card. It says Delight in Today, and I can put whatever I want in it.
Yeah, it's really fun.
It is fun. And then this one I'm going to show you. I started with this die from Sizzix, and this is just on white paper. And it's a very simple little flip it type of a card, and they've got it shown sideways, but I chose to use it vertically. So here's what I did. I've got my little sparkly doodads, and once again, these are from stuff that I picked early on in the year, and it keeps giving, you know, so just keep that in mind. You're going to have stuff to use that you can continually keep going back to. So use my new little stamps from Amy Tangerine. It says, "You are my fave," and then this pulls.
I love that.
Isn't that fun?
And the sparkle paper.
Exactly. Super easy, and it's really elegant.
It is.
That's a lot of fun. And then I've got my layout here, and this is, again, I was pulling from some of the stuff that I've had for a while. This is a Jenny Bolin paper. Oh, I've been in the plants. Added this new paper from... I think that's the Allison Kreft from the Webster's line, right? Which I just love, and I wanted to feature that. So just, again, layering fun stuff. This is the back side. This red hexagon is the back side of this beautiful paper. A little bit of basic gray. And I've just created layers using the basic gray and the L Studio. And then this fabulous die cut alpha. That's these from the Memory Box line.
That does look so happy.
Everybody is asking me about these dies. They are so much fun, just really fun. You can do lots of different colors, one color. And then here's stickers from the Amy Tangerine Remarks book. This is that Amy Tangerine wood veneer card.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that fun? And still pulling from the dies that I got at the beginning of the month, or the year, the status update here. And then a little bit of L Studio, some basic gray stickers. Lots of color, lots going on, and yet it was actually really easy to put together as well.
Cool, thanks.